Hello my beautiful people, welcome back into my life. In today's video, I will be DIYing and making my kids some Valentine's Day baskets, as you guys have read by the title. So before we get started, let me show y'all my my Valentine's shirt, but this is my Betty Boop shirt that I got from Fashion Nova to fit this vibe for this video. And also I am going to kind of put a little decor out so we could, you know, set the mood in here. So let's get into it.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life watching paintings dry. Singing lullabies, lullabies. No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on night to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine.
Love Roblox and Fortnite. My oldest son Kyron, he loves Fortnite, so this is where all the blue comes in. Rylan loves Roblox, so we're gonna do red for him.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. Need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now it's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
We were built to last, a permanent high, colliding like the stars in the sky. And I give you my all, but now I see that you could never love me for me. I don't wanna give my all, put myself in your hands, to have you let me slip right through your fingers like sand. And I have been so caught up that I didn't even see that you could never love me for me. 'Cause you mold me into something else, change me into what you want. All I ever did was love, and it wasn't good enough. We had tried to make this garden for two, but you had brought the cold and the roses never bloom. No, the roses never bloom. No, the roses never bloom. Something in me told me we'd be walking on thin glass, but I just continued on to fall, stepping over every crack. And I got bruised, I had slipped, I'd fallen to my knees, and you were ice to the touch, and I will love you till I freeze. But you mold me into something else, change me into what you want. All I ever did was love, and it wasn't good enough. We had tried to make this garden for two, but you had brought the cold and the roses never bloomed.
We break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth
So yes, tell me what y'all think. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about these baskets. I really love them. They turned out perfect. Worked out perfect. I knew they would. Believed in myself. Okay. Period. Okay. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed everything that I did, everything that I put together, and I hope it inspires you guys to, you know, create your own baskets. So yes, and if you are new here, welcome, and I hope you stay to see more of my content. And as always, like, leave your sweet comments, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.